Welcome students in a series of HCF and LCM question and answer series, and this series is based on real life word problems, how to identify whether we have to calculate HCF or LCM. We have to judge it just by reading that word problem. So let us see how to solve that. But before that, for HCF and LCM, I would like to request all of you to go through my previous videos regarding HCF and LCM, methods of HCF and methods of LCM. Yes, it is your question. The length, breadth and height of a room are 8 meter 25 centimeter, 6 meter 75 centimeter, 4 meter 50 centimeter respectively. So in any word problem, read that word problem carefully. And whatever you have in that word problems, at first try to identify and write it. For example, in this first line, we can identify that the length of a room, the breadth of a room, and the height of a room is given. But here it is 8 meter 25 centimeter. So just change it in one unit. It means you know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. It means 8 meter equal to 800 centimeters. So total length in centimeter equal to 825. So what we have, the length of a room 825 centimeter, the breadth of a room 675 centimeter, and the height of a room 450 centimeter. Now what we have to calculate, find the largest tape which can measure the three dimensions of the room when used an exact number of times. Means the length of a tape should be a factor of all these numbers, and the largest factor, and the largest common factor is, yes, HCF. So it is a question of HCF, highest common factor. So HCF of 825, 675 and 450 we need to identify, and there are three numbers, so we will use long division method for two numbers, any two numbers first. So I am taking these two numbers here, 450 and 675. You can take any two, you can take 825 and 675 also first, then you can find out HCF for 450. So it's up to you. 450 and 675. Among these numbers, 450 is smaller. That's why we will write this 450 in a divisor, and 675 will be in dividend column. So now how many times? Yes, one time. So we will write 450 ones are 450. We will subtract it. Normal division it is. And we will get our remainder, which is 225. And according to the long division method, 225 is now new divisor and 450 will become new dividend. Now how many times? Yes, two times, fully divisible. 225 twos are 450. It means what is the LCM of these two numbers, 450 and 675? It is 225. Now we will take this HCF 225 and third remaining number is 825. So we will find out the HCF for these two numbers. So how many times? Yes, three times. 675 we will subtract it. It is new remainder 150 and new divisor also. So now it will become dividend. 225 will be our dividend. How many times? One time. It is 150. We will subtract it and we will get 75, and this 150 will become new dividend now. The 75 twos are 150 and remainder is 0. This remainder is 0 because of this divisor 75. That's why this 75 is our HCF. It means HCF of all these three numbers is 75 centimeter, and it is the length of that tape. So the length of a tape will be 75 centimeter. Very easy it is. Question is, the floor of a room is 4 meter 50 centimeter long and 3 meter 60 centimeter broad. Find the maximum number of square marbles of the same size needed to cover the entire floor. Now what we have to do? Yes, at first I always tell you that what you have to do, yes, read the problem carefully. The floor of a room is 4 meter 50 centimeter long and 3 meter 60 centimeter broad. So first thing which we have, that is the length of a floor equal to 450 centimeter. We will write it into centimeter, and breadth of floor equal to 360 centimeter. Now what we have to find out? Find the maximum number of square marbles. Square marbles we have to use. But how many? Maximum number of the same size. So what we have to do? Yes, HCF, the length and breadth of the square marble should be a factor of these two numbers, common factor, and maximum number of square marble of same size means highest common factor of these two measures, length and breadth. So it means HCF of 450 and 360 we have to calculate. Again we will use this long division method, and it is very simple. 360 is smaller, that's why we will write it in divisor and 450 as dividend. So 360 ones are 360, remainder will be 90. 90 will become new divisor and 360 will be dividend now. So it is fully divisible. Yes, 94s are 360. It means our HCF equals to 90. 90 what? Centimeter. And square marble. Square marble means we have to find out the area of that marble. So required size of square marble is 90 into 90 centimeter. Now we have to find out the number of square marble. So at first find what is the formula to find out the number of square marbles. That is equals to area of floor divided by area of square marble. So we know that area equal to length into breadth for a rectangular, and for square side into side, which is already given 90 centimeter into 90 centimeter. It means this is our area, 450 into 360 for floor and for 90 into 90 for marble. We will divide both and it will be 20. Number of square marbles will be 20. So this question is a combination of two kind of question, HCF as well as area. Area of rectangle and area of square, right? Next question is, Minu purchased 2 bags of rice of weight 75 kilogram and 69 kilogram. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of rice exact number of times. So here also at first we will go part to part. It means first part. First part is about 2 bags of rice. So weight of one bag equal to 75 kilogram and weight of another bag equal to 69 kilogram. Now come on the second part. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of rice exact number of times. It means the weight which we have to calculate must be a factor of both 75 kilogram and 69 kilogram. That weight must be factor of both. It means a common factor, and maximum value of weight means highest common factor, right? So we have to find out the HCF of 75 and 69. So again I am using long division method. I will write 69 as divisor and 75 as dividend. So 69 ones are 69, then remainder will be 6. We will write 69 as dividend and 6 will be divisor now. Then 6 11s are 66. So like this we will divide 69 by 6 and 11 is our quotient and remainder will be 3. Now this remainder will be new divisor and this 6 will become new dividend. So 3 2s are 6 and remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 because of this divisor 3. It means 3 is HCF of 75 and 69. So what is the weight? Yes, the weight which we should use is of 3 kilogram. So 3 kilogram weight can measure the rice. Clear? Next question is, in a morning walk, three persons step off together. Their steps measure 80 centimeter, 85 centimeter, 90 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete distance? Now what we have to do? Yes, read the word problem carefully. So what is given first? Three persons and their steps and the length of their steps. It means steps of first person equal to 80 centimeter, for second person 85 centimeter, third person 90 centimeter. Now understand what is the minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance. It means we have to find out a number which should be multiple of all these three numbers, right? And minimum distance means least common multiple. That's why it is a question of LCM. LCM of 80, 85 and 90 we have to calculate, and here I am using division method. At first you know that 5 is common divisor for all these three. So we will divide by 5. So here 5 16s are 80, 5 17s are 85 and 5 18s are 90. Now there is no common divisor for all these three, but yes, there is common divisor for 16 and 18, which is 2. So we will divide by 2. 2 8s are 16, 17 as it is because it is not divisible by 2, and 2 9s are 18. Now 8, 17 and 9. 17 is a prime number and there is no common divisor for 8 and 9. That's why we will stop here. Now our LCM will be product of divisors and remaining numbers. It means LCM will be, yes, this is 12,240 centimeter. Now we can convert it into meter also. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So we can convert it also. It is optional. 122 meter 40 centimeter. So this is the minimum distance. Next question is just similar like previous question. Just see here, same steps are given of three boys and the minimum distance we have to identify. It means it is the same kind of question, just steps are different: 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter. So these kind of questions are also of LCM. We can easily identify now. So we will find out LCM of 63, 70 and 77, and we know that 7 is a common divisor for all. So that's why we will divide by 7. 7 9s are 73, 7 10s are 70, 7 11s are 77. Now here 9, 10, 11. Now there is no common divisor for all, even not for any 2. So we will stop here, and LCM will be 7 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 11. It means 6,930 centimeter. So this is the minimum distance, right? And we can convert it into meter also, 69 meter 30 centimeter. Next type of real life word problem is related to the traffic light kind of problem. Traffic light, have you seen traffic light at signals? That traffic lights at three different road crossing change after 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 100 seconds. There are three traffic lights at three road and there is a timing: 48 seconds for first light, 72 seconds for second light and 108 seconds for third light. At what time will they change together again? If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m. First time is given to us 7 a.m. So now at what time they will change again? So it means first whatever is given, traffic light changes at first road after 48 seconds, for at second road 72 seconds and at third road 108 seconds. Now we have to find out the common multiple of these three: 48, 72 and 108. Least common multiple, right? Which is the time they all change together. It means LCM of 48, 72 and 108. I am using continuous division method, common division method like this. So we know that 2 is a common divisor for all. We will divide it by 2, 24, 2 24s are 48, 2 36s are 72, and 2 54s are 108. Again 2 is a common divisor, so we will divide again. 12, 18 and 27 will be questioned. Now 12, 18 and 27. 12 and 18 is divisible by 2 but not 27. So what is a common divisor for all these three? Yes, 3. So we will divide by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 6 are 18, 3 9s are 27. Now there is no common divisor for all three, but yes, for any two there is a common divisor. So we will take 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 9. Again there is a common divisor for 3 and 9. So we will take 3 and 2 as it is. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So our LCM will be this 432. It means after 432 seconds, we will convert this into minutes and seconds. We know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So to convert it into minute and second, we will divide it by 60 and it will be 7 minutes and 12 seconds. It means after every 7 minutes and 12 seconds, they will change together. So first they have already changed 7 a.m. So it means 7 minutes 12 seconds past 7 a.m. they will change together. So for these kind of questions we use LCM. Now again understand this. There are three heaps of rice weighing 120 kilogram, 144 kilogram and 204 kilogram. Find the maximum capacity of bag so that the rice of each heap can be packed in exact number of bags. Now here, first hint, maximum capacity of bag, right? A bag which has the capacity to contain all 150 kilogram, 120 kilogram, 140 kilogram and 204 kilogram, right? So it is a question of common factor. That weight must be a common factor for all, and maximum capacity, it means highest common factor. So weight of first heap, that is equal to 120 kilogram. Weight of second heap 144 kilogram. Weight of third heap equal to 204 kilogram. Now we have to find out the highest common factor HCF of 120, 144 and 204. Now again there is a method which is long division method which we will follow to take any two numbers. So I am taking these two numbers first, 120 and 144. 121s are 120. Remainder will be 24 and it is our new divisor also, and 120 will be dividend. So 24 5s are 120, fully divisible. Now that's why 24 is HCF for 120 and 144. Now we will take this HCF and third number which is 204. So we will find out the HCF. 24 will be divisor and 204 will be dividend. Now how many times? 8 times. It is 192, and after subtracting we will get the remainder 12. 12 is new divisor and 24 will be new dividend. So we will write 24 here and it is fully divisible. 22s are 24. So here remainder is 0. It means 12 is our HCF. So HCF equals to 12 kilogram. So the capacity, maximum capacity of bag is 12 kilogram. So that all these numbers 120, 144 and 204 will be divisible by 12. 12 is a common, highest common factor of all these numbers. So it means the maximum capacity of bag is 12 kilogram. So the rice of each heap can be packed in exact number of bags. Now next type of questions are related to the bells. So three bells are ringing continuously at intervals of 30, 36 and 45 minutes respectively. At what time will they ring together? Again, if they ring simultaneously at 8 a.m. So I think you can easily understand that we have already covered a question like that, but that is for traffic light. But here it is for bells, but a same kind of question. Here first bell rings at 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, second bell rings after 36 minutes and third bell rings after 45 minutes. So at what time will they ring together again? It means multiple of all these three numbers. right? And the least common multiple, and which kind of least common multiple? LCM. This question is again related to LCM. So we have to find out the LCM of 30, 36 and 45. I am using common division method, 30, 36 and 45. And what is a common divisor? Yes, 3 is a common divisor for all. 30 and 36 is divisible by 2, but 45 is not divisible by 2. That's why I'm taking the common divisor for all first, which is 3. So here 3 tens are 30, 3 twelves are 36 and 3 15s are 45. Now 10, 12 and 15. There is no common divisor for all, but yes, for any two number at first we will see. So 2 is a common divisor. So I'm taking 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12 and 15 as it is. Then for any two number, yes. So I am taking 3 as a common divisor for 6 and 15. So here 5 as it is, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Now 5 is a common divisor for two numbers. 5 ones are 5, 2 as it is, and 5 ones are 5. Now there is no common divisor. So our LCM will be this 180. It means after 180 minutes, 180 minutes means 3 hours. Just divide by 60. So it will be 3 hours. So after 3 hours, they will ring together. So already one time is given, that is 8 a.m. So after 8 a.m., what is the time? Yes, that is 8 plus 3. It means 11 a.m. At 11 a.m., they will ring together again. This is also same kind of question. 3 bells are ringing continuously at intervals of 30, 40 and 45 minutes. So here also first bell rings after 30 minutes, second bell rings after 40 minutes, third bell rings after 45 minutes. It means it is a question of LCM, LCM of all these three. So 30, 40 and 45, we know that 5 is a common divisor. 5 6 are 30, 5 8 are 40, 5 9 are 45. Now 2 is a common divisor for any two number. Yes, 2 is a common divisor. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 9. Now 3 is a common divisor. 3 1s are 3, 4 as it is, 3 3s are 9. Now there is no common divisor for 4 and 3. So LCM will be this. It is equals to 360. It means after 360 minutes, all three bells will ring together. 360 minutes means how many hours? Yes, 6 hours. That's why 5 a.m. plus 6 hours, it is equal to 11 a.m. Right? So at 11 a.m. all three bells will ring together again. So my dear students, do practice. Goodbye.